21! Can you believe it? I even forgot to introduce myself. This is Kerri from the Songbird where we get crowd and take flight and sing. And if you've been journeying with me over the last several days, you will know that we've been on a 21 days to your new voice journey, and we are at day 21. Woohoo! You have got to be so proud of yourself, Songbird. Amazing. So let's get right in. I really want to give you an exercise that's just super motivating. It's that sort of take flight and sing part of our get ground and take flight and sing, all right? It's called Go, 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 and it goes like this. Go, 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 go. Okay? So what we want to do is be able to sing it in such a way that it's pretty spoken. It's not go, 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 like we're trying to sound really pretty and really like properly sung. It's go, 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 right? So it's sort of snappy. You sort of throw it out there as if you're kind of speaking on pitch. And there's a real forward motion about it, okay? Now what you don't want to do is to strain and pull at the top note. You don't want to go go, 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 you know, and sort of pull everything up. You know, everything we've been talking about over the last 21 days, a lot of it has been about releasing, letting go of tension, letting go of the jaw, letting go of the tongue, you know, getting rid of that constriction feeling. And so for this one, it's like it's about forward motion, but we don't want to do it in such a way that constricts. So don't get louder at the top, keep the volume the same, and really just let it be popping out like you're speaking, okay? Here we go. I'll just do a few more to show you. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Okay, your turn, girls and guys. Let's go. Just speak it. Very good. Yeah, don't strain your speak. Sorry, I'll play that one again. Speak it out. That's it. Yep, don't pull the chest voice up. That's it. Just throw it out there. Doing well. Oops, I made the same mistake on exactly the same note going up. Here it is again. Speak it. Fantastic. Now that was really intentionally chosen to be the last one of our 21-day journey because of the word go. Because now it is really your turn to go, you know, to get out there and do something with this, okay? My encouragement to you, Songbird, is that, you know, I've intentionally made it a 21-day journey because they say that it takes 21 days to create a habit. And so I wanted to journey with you as your personal vocal coach, as if you are here with me in the studio, you know, and we're having a singing lesson together. But I wanted to really make you feel like it's not that hard to cultivate a habit to show up every day to do something small for your voice, you know? Sometimes the feeling of, oh, warming up every day and practicing my exercises every day can feel like it's really like, you know, like how do I do this? It's, you know, I don't know which exercises to do, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. So I really wanted to create a way for you that would make this super easy and that it didn't feel like too big a task. So the last 21 days, you've now got 21 ideas of what you can do each day. Now every day you can actually design your own little warm-up. You could maybe put together 3 or 4 exercises, your favorite exercises, and do them. The next week you might put together another 3 or 4 other exercises and do them so that you can mix it up, change it up and not get bored as well, right? Or on some days when all you've got time to do is one thing, then just choose one of those exercises and do it. You know, it's all about cultivating a habit of consistency. consistently showing up daily to do something for your voice. It doesn't have to be this 1 hour long thing. You know, it can be 2 minutes on the straw. It can be 20 minutes doing maybe some bubbles, some blahs, some googs, and some go-go's, something like that. Or it could be that you just, you know, do some song application. Whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. But I really hope that in the last 21 days together, I've been able to show you that it's not impossible to show up every day to do something little that is really going to motivate you, inspire you, equip you, and help you become the singer that you have always wanted to be. So Songbird, it doesn't end here. This is just the beginning. Even though this is the end of our formal 21-day journey to your new voice, you know, this is just the beginning for you. So I really hope that you feel equipped to go ahead and you know, get grounded, take flight, and sing. Now, in the meantime, if you are dying for a full resource that really shows you exactly how to warm up your voice in the correct way, in a healthy way, in a fun way, and in a way that's actually not just going to warm you up, but actually build a great voice for you, I would love you to go and check out my free resource, my ultimate vocal warm-up guide. Just click on the link below and you'll be able to get that sent to your inbox straight away, absolutely for free. Now, of course, we've come to the end of our 21-day journey. I'm high-fiving you, I'm giving you a hug, I am so proud of you. Please continue to keep practicing, and you will continue to see me with more videos coming your way. So do keep subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you do, so that you do get those videos. Yeah, that you're the first ones to know when those videos come out. So enjoy, Songbird. I'm always believing in you. Get grounded, take flight, and sing. Bye.